What's up, my people? It's your boy Nick HOUTX Trader coming from Houston, Texas. Guys, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, help your boy out with the channel. Guys, today we're gonna look at US 30, we're gonna look at NASDAQ, we're gonna look at gold, we're gonna look at the Forex pairs that we're waiting on, and aka we've gotten in trades. And guys, check this out. US 30 tried to shake us today. NAS tried to shake us today, but we're not faded, guys. We're gonna look at those. Charts. Big shout out to My Flash Funding. They gave me a $10,000 funded challenge to give away this morning. I gave that away, and they've given me 3 a month. So I'm gonna give one away next week. I'm gonna give one. Well, I'm gonna be in the Dominican Republic the week after that, but I'm gonna give all three away before the end of this month. So big shout out to those guys. I will show you my dot card before we get into the charts. Let's look at that. Let's do this screen. You do not need to see the Zoom. There is my funded account. We will go into that. Here is this. Da, da, da. Okay. Here is my dot card. You'll see this is the YouTube link where you guys are at. My Twitters, my Instagrams, my Flash Funding, guys. If you like what I'm talking about on my Flash Funding, when you come to my dot card, click right here. It'll take you to their homepage where you can buy a funded challenge just like the one I gave away today. The Pip Connect has been the longest Discord server I am in. So big shout out to Andy Peters and that whole crew. I love their community. It is a paid Discord though. Okay. So that's a great one though. If you're looking for a solid Discord to get into that's paid, jump in there. BASC is Bored Ape Solana Club. Guys, this is out of control with these cryptos and these NFTs. This group in this Discord is off the chain. Buy a Bored Ape Solana Club. You could get into their Discord for free once you buy the NFT. And if you're going to buy an NFT, buy one that has a reason to own it, has, some value. Don't just buy a picture of a stone sailor monkey fucking a football, whatever. Buy a good one, okay? Bored Ape Solana Club is the way to go. Market Bandits is a free Discord from Nick G. These guys are great. There's a lot of killers over there. There's a good Discord. Jump in there. That's free. And Badass Trade Talk is from my mentor, Stefano. Big shout out to Stefano. Love that guy. He's shown me so much with market, so much with psychology. There's like 800, almost 900 people in this telly. So I would jump in there and check those guys out. That is good shit. Okay. Again, before we get into the charts real quick, just let me show you real quick, right? This is Nick's this is the bandits. Okay. This is what theirs looks like. You got a trading chat. These guys are in here all day long, smashing it, chatting it up, talking about profits, talking about their funded, talking about whatever. Okay. My Flash Funding, here is theirs. Okay. Again, these guys are on here talking about their accounts and trading and the whole funded thing. This is what their Discord looks like. These guys are good to go. Shout out to Jordan. I was just talking to Jordan on the Telegram. This is his Wolves of Profit, the Wolf Pack. He does have a free section here, but he also has a paid section where they do live trading and whatnot. So shout out to Jordan and those guys. Here is the Bored Ape Solana Club NFT. So much information. If you want to get NFTs and you want to get on a whitelist, if you don't even know what a whitelist is, join this. But if you want to get on a whitelist for new NFTs and you just want to be around the crypto NFT community and that whole ecosystem, by all means, spend a couple $100, buy a Bored Ape, get in this Discord, and you will be blown away with how much information. I mean, look at this Discord, how much information there's in there. And then, of course, this is Andy Peters, Pip Connect, which is a paid service. It's all good here. And then here is the Badass Trade Talk with Stefano, 846 members. As you can see, Stefano's even posting, guys, his trade. Gold loves 78.6. He got his entry right there, the 78.6. Bing, bow, smash. He shows you what he does. Not only him, but everyone else in here. There's 46 new messages. Guys, it's Murderer's Row in here, and it's absolutely free. So check out that, okay? Let's look at the charts. Meow. Okay, guys, we're going to start US 30. Guess what? I took a trade on US 30 right here. US 30 is notorious for coming back and testing entries. Everyone knows it. So guess what? I got knocked out at break even. All right. No big deal. I was up, 440 pips. You're like, Nick, dude, you're up 400 fucking pips and you didn't book any profits? No, I didn't book any profits. Know why? Because I'm trying to catch these pips. I'm trying to catch a move. I'm trying to catch 1,500. I'm trying to catch 1,000 pips. So I'm not really worried about that little 400 pips that I missed because I would have been chopping my knees off, right? I would have entered in there and I would have taken this and I'd have booked half profit, but then I left all of this profit, you know what I'm saying, potential profit on the table, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to catch the full move. So guess what? When it came back down to retest me and break me out, all right, put me at break even, it's still at the 88.6. It's still in our buy zone. Okay. And look, and it's more divergent. Look at the RSI, guys. Look at the RSI. Low, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. If you guys check me, you know that I love the third touch on the RSI right here at the 30 or the 70 on that side. That's like music to my ears. I'm like, fucking hit the button. So that's exactly what I did, guys. I just got back in the trade. Hey, guess what? It's divergent. It's still oversold. The 1 hour being like it's the trade is still valid. So I did protect, right? I could have not. I could have just left that unprotected, but it got knocked out at broke even. I re-entered basically the exact same trade with the exact same stop loss with the exact same entry, and I have the exact same TP. All right. I'm not gonna let it scare me. I'm not gonna let it scare me. It's being divergent. It's still in my buy zone. So just remember that, guys. If the trade is still valid, if you haven't over leveraged, if everything is going good and your RSI is now even more divergent, it's still the same. Don't be afraid to get back in the trade. All right. If you under leveraged on the first one, don't be afraid to pop the second bullet on the second one for a full position. US 30 and NASDAQ is known for this, notorious for this. And the same thing, look at NASDAQ. Oh my God, it's selling. Oh my God, US 30 is selling. I don't give a shit. I'm still in. I've protected. All right. Full. I haven't taken any partials. I've taken no profit. And guess what? It came right back to the high. Right back. Okay. Now, maybe that's a smart move in my half. Maybe it's a dumb move, but I'm still up 300 pips. It came right back. I thought that this was going to do exactly this today to set up for buys tomorrow. So US 30 came down, hit the original entries, and hopefully that's the real entry for the buys tomorrow when CPI comes out in the news. Same thing. Look at all of this. I know that this green's in the way, but I mean, if you think about it, this is just liquidity here. Okay. Look at all those wicks where people are buying up. Let this market come down, hit anyone's stop loss that's who's in here. All these people who are breakout traders who thought they're geniuses are selling off. Guess what? It came right back up and smashed through them. Anyone who was buying, it came down and smashed through their stop loss. It just cleared liquidity and came right back up. I know for a fact because I'm in the tellies and I'm in the discords that people are selling right here. Okay. And if they took that profit, good for them. I hope they did. All right. But is that really the trade you need to be in? Is this a little breakout for, I mean, 200 pips or 200 pips? Don't get me wrong. But is that really what you want to risk your money on? You know what I'm saying? For me, I don't give a shit. I don't want to risk my money on that breakout to that little zone. I'd rather fry the big fish. Okay, guys. And I'm still in this. And so we're still good. So look at dirty third. I mean, gold. I was hoping this gold would retrace, and it never did. It just popped straight back off. So we don't have a gold trade. We still don't have a gold trade. We're going to continue to drag this fib up, and we're still looking for this same retracement, right? And more than likely, this gold's going to buy up until the 78.6 is in this zone. So really, I'm thinking, you want to be honest with you, huh, you know, that would be, that's probably going to be more like it. You get the idea. All right. I have no idea where this top is. I have no clue. Actually, we could kind of figure that out, to be honest with you. If we try to want to figure out where the top is, let's just do this. There's the leg. There's the top right there. Or there's the top right there. So we could look for reversals around these areas right here. Okay. Usually when it goes off and then it has a small retracement like the 38 or the 50, it's not going to hit the full 61.8 TP. The 236 is where it's going to be at. So perhaps tomorrow This is going to push up and then hit the 236. And as you can see, this momentum is starting to lose. All right. And when I say that, it's because if you look at this push from here to here, is not as strong as this push, and this push will be even smaller. In which case, ladies and gentlemen, we have the 3 top, which is what I've talked about earlier. 1, 2, 3 top, and reversal. So Goldie, we're sitting on our hands on Goldie. We're trying to make this quick tonight, guys. EU, we're nowhere close. It just took off. GJ, I took this trade here, right? I was hoping for a double top of 61.8, and I got knocked out at stop loss on 78.6. So I'm done. It's what I get for A, taking 61.8 and not waiting for the 78.6. Dumb on my behalf, absolutely dumb. And B, we're clearly bullish. So why am I trying to take shorts? I'm retarded. I should just wait for this way down here. So I'm not fucking with GJ anymore until it gives me a buy opportunity. Let's zoom out. What are we on? GUZ? GUZ. Yeah, we're screwing around. I'll take a trade right here. 28.1. I'll take a trade right there, but we're still nowhere near. Right. This is liquidity up top. That's liquidity at bottom. We're in sells. I think pretty much we're in a I mean down. I mean, look at the market, right? We're bullish. Excuse me, bearish. So let's see if we can get a double top on this area. Or what I even did was this little Fibo right here and see if we can't catch like an 88, 78.6 entry with a smaller stop loss. If we could try that. And if not, we'll have to try this. Actually, let's just try this one. Let's not even screw around with that little Fibo. We will try this right there. 88.6. Hit this double top right there. We know where our stop loss is, 10%. And we'll target this liquidity at the bottom here. Okay, we'll target this area. Right there. Right there. All right. UCAD. Yeah, UCAD's screwing around. It hasn't gone. It doesn't do anything. We're gonna sell if it gets up here. If it decides to tank, we'll buy here. As of right now, it's a no man's land. I'm not doing anything. UCHEF, we've been in this trade for a couple of days now. This has done nothing. Look at this sideways action. Nothing. So we're still there. Basically break even. And same thing for UJs. Look, just nothing. Just like, hey, let's take a trade, and then absolutely go and just basically costing me swap fees. Let's look at this real quick. I'm up 4.5%. There is these trades that are doing nothing. $10 and is nothing. 162 on 30, 300 on NAS. Again, it's a 10K account. That yeah, there's my re-entry on 30. And again, on this NAS, I'm still holding my original, which is down here. All right, guys. So I showed you on the trading view. I showed you on the actual broker. No bullshit. All right, what else we have? I think that's it, guys. That's it. Hey, please make sure you subscribe and like. I'm going to give away another 10K account. I might just give away 2 10K accounts next week because I'll be traveling to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic on vacation. After that, taking the fam down to the beach, boy. A lot of mercy. All right. So yeah, let's just give them away. Right, maybe twice next week, maybe like one on a Tuesday, one on Thursday. We'll see what news is. But please do me a favor, smash that subscribe, hit that thumbs up. I don't sell signals. I don't have a paid subscription. I don't do any of that BS. If you guys need to learn how to trade, go to babypips.com. Go on one of these charts. I tell you, hit me up in the chats. I'll throw a mentorship. I'll help you out where I can, or suggest people who can help you out, whatnot. If you're curious about the Fibonacci videos, watch this video right here. I'll tag that in. If you're a brand new trader and you don't know the hell I'm talking about, watch this video right here, and we're all good. If you guys have anything, please hit me up in the chats. I'll help you out. Deuces, y'all have a good